Hi, it's Mike Sowery, Virtuoso Builders, and welcome to another edition of Behind the Drywall. And today we're going to actually do a day in the life with Mike. I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe to all of our channels. And as typically the case, while I was eating and drinking my coffee, I was looking at emails and looking at texts to start the day. A day in the life. Now finally got breakfast done, dinner going for tonight. Already sent out emails and texts, and now it's off to the office. And my day is filled with emails and phone calls and texts. On my way to a final walkthrough with another one of our clients. I'm just having a little bit of lunch. I'm catching up on emails right now. Well, my lunch break is not really a break, it's still work, but it's kind of a good time to catch up on stuff and eat at the same time. That's what I'm doing. Twice a month we record our Hammer Time segment with San Antonio Living. And at the end of the day, I get together with Jesus, our assistant project supervisor, discuss what happened that day and discuss what's going to happen the next.